In today's video, we're diving into the best fitness apps for Android that can help you reach your health and fitness goals. If you're ready to get fit and healthy, let's get started. Daily Yoga for Fitness. Daily Yoga for Fitness is a comprehensive app designed for yoga enthusiasts of all levels, offering a wide variety of routines and programs to improve flexibility, strength, and mindfulness. The app features guided classes led by professional instructors, allowing users to practice yoga anytime and anywhere. With over 500 poses and multiple programs tailored to different goals, such as weight loss, stress relief, and enhanced flexibility, Daily Yoga caters to a diverse audience. Users can track their progress, join a community for motivation, and even listen to soothing music during their sessions. Overall, Daily Yoga provides an effective way to incorporate yoga into a daily fitness routine. VirtualGgym Fitness Workout. VirtualGgym Fitness Workout is a robust app that offers a complete fitness experience, combining workout plans, nutritional guidance, and community support. The app includes an extensive library of exercises, complete with video demonstrations and detailed instructions, making it easy for users to follow along and maintain proper form. Users can customize their workout routines based on their fitness levels and goals, whether it's strength training, cardio, or flexibility. The app also features a food diary and meal plans to help users manage their nutrition effectively. With an engaging community aspect, users can connect with others for motivation and support on their fitness journey. Fitness Coach Weight Loss. Fitness Coach Weight Loss is a personalized fitness app focused on helping users achieve weight loss and overall health improvement. The app creates tailored workout plans and meal suggestions based on individual goals, preferences, and fitness levels. Users can access a wide variety of workout videos ranging from high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to full-body workouts, ensuring a varied and engaging fitness experience. Fitness Coach also includes tracking features for monitoring progress in weight loss, workouts, and nutrition. With its user-friendly interface and personalized approach, Fitness Coach provides effective tools for those seeking to shed pounds and improve their fitness. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Daily Yoga, VirtualGgym, and Fitness Coach helps you find the perfect app for your fitness journey. Until next time, stay active and keep pushing toward those goals.